Okay, so this is a proof of concept and kind of just a funny prank that you can play on your wife. Um, but yeah, you can also see how it could be modified for
any legal alternative.
This is a road flare launcher that I made in a previous video. I'm going to put that link right there. This is basically a modified perimeter alarm with a 1-inch copper elbow and a gate valve, a Wi-Fi controlled gate valve. And what we're going to make today is a motion controlled confetti cannon. I'm going to load this up with a ram set. This is a 22 cal rimfire. It's just a powder shot. They're for the ram set masonry guns. And this will be the power burst needed to propel the confetti from this bad boy. Now we're not using this whole volume. We're basically gonna oops, I just dented that. See, I strangely always have a confetti cannon in my car. In my truck. I tell my daughters, I'm like, you never know when you're gonna need a confetti cannon. And oh, look at that. This is great. Oh, these are big. What do we got here? Okay. Alright. You know what? Honestly, this should be enough. That's probably going to take up the whole volume of the... But whatever. Alright, now let's cut these up into smaller pieces. Alright, here we go. This is loaded. It's not loaded, but it's loaded, but it's not armed. So, let me plug this in and arm it. Alright. And blast this. I'm going to do a little test. All right, we got this set up on the roof of my truck. My girlfriend is nowhere to be seen, so I'm using my friend Petey. All right, so now we're gonna program this camera via the Blink app, and I'll show you how to do that. Left truck detects motion. Confetti cannon power off. So we tested this routine and it works. It was just a matter of the sensitivity and the field of view settings of the alright, so this is enabled. I'm going to kill Alexa, go to Blink. It's disarmed. So now left truck. You know what? It's going to activate. Alright, left truck. Motion detection on, system disarmed. Device settings. Motion settings. Let's bump up the sensitivity. Motion zones. Let's just say reset activity zones. Done. Alright. All right. So now we will kill this app also. And then we'll just switch over to... All right. So now, Alexa, arm truck.
Truck is armed in away mode.
Okay, so now that's armed. I'll start this video. And we'll see if it does it in its own. I think it'll work when it's on its own without any sort of... All right, so rear truck, rear camera's on.
Should I go around the front of the truck so it
It's,
doesn't set off through the back too early?
no, just walk in front.
All right.
Nothing.
I hope
Yo, that
makes
was
good
dope,
montage.
man.
You better got that, because, oh.